Hello, thank you for watching. If you could subscribe or leave a like or leave a comment, I'd appreciate it very much. Thank you very much for watching. So, this in the tube now, I had a slow puncture. I went down with some soapy water. So if you can't see a leak, get some water, put a couple drops of wet liquid in it, and you spray it all over, and look for bubbles. See all the bubbles there? See them coming out still? See, it's frothing up. So yeah, it's a filler neck. If there's a little hole there, like a slow puncture, you see it all little bubbles, you know, foaming out. As you see, there's foaming up already. See it foaming up? So it's the filler neck that's gone. Yep. As you can see, the valve is leaking itself. So I've got a new tube, stuck it in, she's done. But the straw chopper now has a slow puncture as well, so I'm going to repair that one again now. The difference size between a 12.5, 80, 15.3 and a 10, 75, 15.3. This is a bead breaker, so you smack that down. She's gone now. I'll put in a tyre machine to lever one side of the tyre off. So here's a tyre machine, manual one. So we have a bar with a ball at the end of it. It's hard to twist one-handed, but you stick this in without catching a tube, and you leave it up like that. Put against its middle, and you whack it around. See, it's pulling it up, and just go right round until you've brought the lip over. Then you get at the tube in. See where it's all off then. So I haven't actually mastered how to do it on the floor yet with bars, but I can do it with this. And these Avon type tyres, 15.3, they can actually just about fit in the tyre machine, which is more for cars and for the forestry. So other side of this bar then, oops, you have is it shaped like that? So you're supposed to be able to use it like a proper, you know, like the powered ones at garages. You can stick this in, and as you're turning it, whacking against this round, it pulls the bead back in. But I haven't actually done it with these before. I just use it, take them off to start with. Can hammer them back then. But yeah. So this was well, this chopper is fairly newish to us, second hand then. But last year it was kept on going flat, and it just keeps on going flat then. So I've taken it off now, and it's actually tubeless. So that's the problem. Tyre got a bit old, and it's well, it's a bit rusty there as well. So it's leaking air past somewhere anyway. Easy, you know, it happens until tyres get old. So when you get a tube sticking with finally. Funny thing, it's always the right hand side of straw choppers that go. This happens to be right hand side, but usually it's because like the flywheel's turning like that, and it's putting pressure on the right hand side then. So the tubes get rubbed, and they do get slow punctures in. But I was expecting a tube in this with a slow puncture, but yeah. Bit too new firstly. I'm used to tubes in them. Just to show it working, but I'm on stop now. Hope there was a tube I could actually show you me patching in. You have to put pressure down with one hand as you're pulling it around with the other hand. So goes like that, and you can see it's starting to go in. And so yeah, you can actually reset them with this, but usually you have to take it. You have to have them floor to push the tube in, and I don't know. It's a bit easier. You don't have to lug it in here again. So I'm not sure about that, but it seems like you can do it.